My bush place where I grew up in St. Thomas. A place at St. Thomas near Yellas. Big up to all the Yellas people. St. Thomas massive. You see me? So, me not a man where, sit up regular and them thing there. Because you have some people where, we don't know if it's a blessing or it's a curse, but them can sit up good and then sit up half thing. Me are not that type of person, you see me, but me have people in my family who stay like that. You see me, I say, including my whole lady. You see me, my mother, because she used to tell me some whole heap of duppy story. You see me, I say, she see duppy half thing and something where she grew up seeing, you see me. But, me not tell lie, me see 1 and 2 duppy when me there at Jamaica. You see me? They live at Jamaica for over 25 years before me come to America. And me used to see duppy. Now I tell you say a whole heap, but me used to see a few duppy. You see me I say, and from me come to America, not one duppy me not see. Not one. Me say one time me catch a glimpse of something and me I wonder, but me used to see duppy playing at Jamaica. Me no see no duppy in America, so me I wonder if the duppy them can't get no visa. The Jamaican duppy them can't get no visa. Me I wonder how then get the pink slip when they get turned down. Me remember, because me never apply for no visa, so me don't know if I pink slip, but it look like duppy them every time they got embassy them a get turned down. Because come me used to see whole heap of duppy when me there at Jamaica. Soon as me come America, I'm there over the America over 12 years now. And not one duppy me can't see, but me see whole heap of duppy at Jamaica. Me don't know, it don't make no sense. And when I watch all the duppy show and then sit there and I see cheer fling around place and sit and move and duppy a show up clear to them and I then show you. Me not see nothing. So me I wonder if I play in fear then can afford. Me I wonder if then get turned down at embassy. Or then just not like that place yeah. You see me I say, cause all human being can't stand this a place yeah. But me understand is a question me I put out there. So if you used to see duppy when you're there at Jamaica and you see them seeing duppy there when you come over here, I put it in a comment and make me know, because me want to know if I just me or other people out there where they used to see duppy at Jamaica, but when they come a foreign, they don't see no duppy at all. Probably too much light there. Because everywhere you go, all the night time you come like daytime, because everywhere the place bright up. At Jamaica, when night come down a pitch black. So me wonder if it duppy then like the darkness. You see me I say, or if you want, maybe I just the connection, we've got the island people are more connected to, the earth. We're more spiritual, you see me I say, I wonder if I that, because over here so, them talk about God and this and that, but they not believe in nothing. You see me I say, they're not spiritual and connected to the earth in this country, you see me? So me I wonder if because of that, in an island, in Jamaica, we're more spiritual. You see me I say, and I feel like and when you come here, so it's like it's something dead out of you. That connection that you have with the spiritual realm and the earth when you're there at Jamaica. When you come here, so it's like there's a place that just kill it. You see me I say, so get that connection, because me is a spiritual person. You see me I say, me believe in a spiritual realm. You see me know say that exists. You see me I say, but it's like this a place that kill it out of you, that connection. So I wonder if that's why you don't pay them not come here. You see me I say, so as me say, it's a question me I put out there, because it been puzzling me for a long time. Because me I wonder say, how come when me there at Jamaica, me see a portion of, well now a portion. Me would have say, me see, me not, a year never pass it and me not see a duppy. But since me there, no duppy me can see. So, I want the people them to make me know. If you have people who there, the America, or wherever you travel, or you're outside of Jamaica, you still see the same amount of duppy them like what you used to see when you're there at Jamaica, or when you left Jamaica, you stop see duppy them. Which one? Because me stop see duppy them. Some have know people did their way in my predicament where it duppy them, no, them they know they wish for me there. You see me? And yeah, people will grow up and they especially a more old time people. My old lady, people like mother said cut off from the 90s. We talk about duppy. Me don't know. You see me? But you know nowadays people and nowadays them probably if you ask them they never know nothing about them something. You see me? I say so a time different you know, you see me? So as me say, it's a question me I put out there. If you see duppy when you come over here, seem like how you see them at Jamaica, let me know in the comments. And if you ain't see none, if you not see none like myself, let me know so that me can know say boy not me alone. You see me? Cause me say it look like the Jamaican duppy them get turned on an embassy and they can't afford the plane fare. Or they just not like this a place. You see me? Cause me no see none. So, let me know and link me up back and let me know in the comments. You see me I say because I want to know where duppy them they are foreign. Until the next video, bless.